Our sources have just informed us that Liberty University does not have a chapter of PRSSA.
We were shocked when we read the university's strategic plan and found the following quote: Liberty University will provide a comprehensive array of academic programs grounded in a biblical worldview that will produce highly sought-after graduates with the knowledge, values, and skills needed to excel in the workplace, flourish in life, and to positively impact their communities.
So, in order to provide a comprehensive array of academic programs, it seems only fitting that there should be a PRSSA chapter at Liberty University.
There are several other successful PRSSA chapters in the area at schools such as James Madison University, the University of Lynchburg, George Mason University, Old Dominion University, and Virginia Commonwealth University.
So, according to PRSSA's website...
Wait, hold on one second. What even is PRSSA?
Yeah, that's a good question. Well, PRSSA stands for Public Relations Student Society of America, and the organization is a way for students to enhance their education, broaden their network, and launch their career.
Okay, so if this PRSSA is so good, then why doesn't Liberty already have it?
That's a really good question. Well, a PRSSA chapter may be established and maintained only in a college or university that offers these four things: baccalaureate degrees, is accredited by a nationally or regionally recognized accrediting association or board, offers a sequence of at least 5 courses in public relations, and is supplemented by additional courses allied to this field of study.
Okay, so Liberty meets all of these requirements.
Exactly. So, we have a reporter live on Liberty University's campus to see what students think about implementing a chapter of PRSSA on their campus. Now on to you, Maggie.
Thanks, Taylor and Abby. I'm here on Liberty University's beautiful campus in Lynchburg, Virginia, interviewing students about what they think about having a PRSSA chapter on campus. Liberty has experienced significant growth over the last several years, with 15,000 residential students representing all 50 states and 80 countries. With over 600 unique programs of study, students are sure to find a program that will provide opportunities to jumpstart their careers. PRSSA is offered to students of all majors, but PRSSA chapters usually consist of students studying business, communication, digital media, or other related fields. Liberty's School of Communication and Digital Content has many opportunities for students, such as the Liberty Champion newspaper, forensics team, ad team, campus radio station, Innovations PR agency, and the Lambda Pi Eta Honor Society. Through Liberty School of Business, students can be a part of groups such as the American Marketing Association, International Business Association, Enactus, and many more. A PRSSA chapter would be the perfect addition to these other great student opportunities. How can PRSSA enhance your education?
Well, since education is more than just a degree to me, having an opportunity to build my portfolio is completely crucial. Supplementing my degree with real-world experience will make me definitely a lot more marketable to future employers.
How important is it for college students to be networking?
I'd say it's important for students to grow from their personal experience and their professional experience, and to network before they finish college, and probably to begin their career, like just helping that. Many times it's not known like what people are like wanting to do or what their preference is, but that always helps.
What's your favorite thing about PRSSA?
The food, because it's free, but it's the food.
How can PRSSA help launch your career?
Well, PRSSA offers an internship and job center where you can search and apply for internships all over the country. They also offer tips on perfecting your resume and how to really nail a job interview, so it's really, really cool.
After interviewing students today at Liberty University, it's clear that there is a definite need for a PRSSA chapter here on campus. Back to you, Abby and Taylor.
There we have it. A PRSSA chapter seems like it would be the perfect fit for a world-class university such as Liberty. Clearly, it would benefit the students and the university as a whole.
We wish the students good luck as they work to win the professor's approval on this matter. From Lynchburg, Virginia, I'm Abby.
And I'm Taylor. Thank you for watching.